video. Get him. Come on. Is that your buddy? Yeah. Yeah. Get him. Come on. Go. Get him. That's so good to get them to run it out. Especially while he still can. Oh my god, you guys are making me dizzy. Spike, you telling them what's up? You say those young boys, they don't know what they're doing. They don't know what they're doing. You guys could do this all day, huh?
I told you run around in circles.
Yes, run around in circles is our favorite game today.
Mm-hmm.
What do you think about that, Spike? Those doofuses. Are you going to play Bitey Face as a favorite of Otis's?